When choosing home windows and doors, have you paid attention to the quality and performance of the windows and doors? Today, we will take you to know the quality testing methods of Phonpa doors and windows, including storm test, tensile test, and hardness test. Let's take a look together. Phonpa is committed to developing and producing high-end windows and doors through high-quality, multi-layered materials and precision craftsmanship. In addition to aesthetics and excellent sound insulation performance, quality is also the key concern. To ensure that Phonpa doors and windows maintain their high performance in extreme weather, the storm test is crucial. In this test, windows and doors need to withstand simulated typhoons, heavy rain, and other inclement weather to test their wind pressure resistance and water resistance. As we can see, under the storm test, Phonpa doors and windows remain solid, ensuring a safe and dry indoor environment. Let's take a look at the Phonpa doors and windows tension test, which tests the sturdiness of the window and door frames and hardware. Under high-intensity tension conditions, every connection point, hinge, and fixing of Phonpa doors and windows must stand the test to ensure that they will not loosen or deform over a long period of time. High-quality Phonpa doors and windows with precision-calculated and rigorously tested frames and hardware ensure that they can withstand daily use and the pull of external forces for extended periods of time. In addition to the robustness of the structure, the glass and frame materials of Phonpa doors and windows also need to have high hardness. A hardness test examines the impact resistance of the materials to ensure that they will not easily break or be damaged by external forces. The thickness of doors and windows not only affects their sound insulation performance, but also directly relates to their durability and safety. Phonpa doors and windows adopt double-layer insulating glass design, and the thickness test ensures that the thickness of the glass and frame meets the standard, thus providing better sound insulation and shockproof effect. Through rigorous quality testing, Phonpa doors and windows not only bring a comfortable indoor environment, but also provide a solid safety barrier for your home. From storm tests to tensile tests, every window and door has been meticulously examined to ensure that they operate stably under all circumstances. Thank you for watching. Phonpa high-end soundproof doors and windows to create a piece of tranquility and safe harbor for you. Welcome to subscribe to our channel for more product information. See you next time.